Okay, this is just a quick demo of a new sound font that I added to my Optimus Prime lightsaber. It's from JuanSith. It's called Star Saber. Now this particular font was commissioned by another of his clients, and so I happened to see it a few days ago, and obviously it was a no-brainer to add it to this particular hilt, because Star Saber it refers obviously um, to Optimus Prime's sword. And I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever seen that particular TV program show. So in any case, the Star Saber by JuanSith. This is a profi version. He also has an available. It's also available on CFX, and I will have those the links to those fonts in the description below. It's in saberfont.com. All right, here we go.
Autobots, transform and roll out.
Awesome. Now the hum that you hear here, it's actually two different hums. The high-pitched one was a separate hum, and the lower range is also another separate hum. And so I combined those two. One had extra files where he combined these two hums together. So that's what you're hearing right now, and that's what I'm using. So it's a combination of those two hums. The smooth swing.
Megatron, be gone. It will only respond to the power of a prime. We must never lose sight of the fact that upon this earth, we are titans, and such power must be used wisely.
Trying to get some of the quotes in there. There are about 10 quotes, I believe.
Megatron, be gone. Do not believe everything you read. It's rumored to wield the power of the Matrix.
The Matrix in this case is, I know a Drew Marble here.
Do not believe everything you read. We must never lose sight of the fact that upon this earth, we are titans, and such power must be used wisely. There can be no diplomatic solution to this perpetual conflict. I am but a soldier, Megatron, and you are a prisoner of your own twisted delusions. A legendary weapon forged by Solus Prime. A legendary weapon forged by Solus Prime. Do not believe everything you read.
I believe that's all the quotes.
Megatron must be destroyed.
Alright. Okay, so this is a Starblade by JuanSith. Awesome font. It's very, very loud, very clear, like clarity. JuanSith works is always it's amazing. I really recommend this font maker. He's been around for years now, ever since, even before I got into the hobby back in 2012, 2013. So, if you're a fan of Transformers, it's an easily recommend. It's an awesome font. And yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Just one more shot before I go. Thanks for watching.